Several factors can cause yard lamp bulbs to explode. Firstly, voltage fluctuations. Excessive voltage spikes or drops can cause bulbs to overheat and explode. Use a voltmeter to measure the voltage at the fixture to check for voltage fluctuations, ensuring it's within the recommended range for the bulb. Secondly, bulb overheating is another common cause. Prolonged exposure to high temperatures, such as from excessive sunlight or nearby heat sources, can weaken bulbs, making them more prone to exploding. Inspect the bulb for cracks or discoloration, and check the fixture for loose connections or excessive heat. Consider providing adequate ventilation for the fixture to prevent heat buildup and avoid direct sunlight by placing fixtures in shaded areas to minimize exposure to high temperatures. Thirdly, using an incorrect bulb wattage can also lead to explosions. Using bulbs with a higher wattage than the fixture is rated for can generate excessive heat and cause explosions. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for the recommended bulb wattage. Fourthly, loose connections can create problems. Poor electrical connections can create arcing, which can ignite the bulb's gaseous content. Ensure all electrical connections are secure and properly tightened. Fifthly, defective sockets or wiring can cause bulbs to explode. Damaged or faulty electrical components can lead to unsafe conditions. Have a qualified electrician inspect the fixture's sockets and wiring for any damage or defect. Sixthly, moisture and grease can be a factor. Water getting into the fixture or bulb can cause electrical shorts and explosions. Ensure the fixture and bulb are protected from rain and moisture. Seal any gaps or leaks. Seventhly, bulb quality plays a role. Poor quality bulbs with thin glass or inadequate venting may be more susceptible to exploding. Experiment with bulbs from different manufacturers or with different wattage ratings. Using surge protectors is also important. Install surge protectors to protect the fixture and bulbs from voltage fluctuations. Consider using bulbs specifically designed for outdoor use. These bulbs typically have thicker glass and better weatherproofing. By addressing these potential issues, you can significantly reduce the risk of your yard lamp bulbs exploding. It is recommended that you take necessary precautions to ensure your safety, such as turning off the circuit breaker before performing electrical work.